In this video, you're going to see how to replace the 12-volt car battery from this Volkswagen hybrid GTE. There is no alternator to charge the battery, so the 12-volt battery is going to be charged by the hybrid battery when the car is running. Now, if you open this fuse box, you're going to find here the positive side of the battery. It's a plus here, and the negative side can be anywhere around the chassis, but a good one is going to be here. Let's make sure we've got a good connection. Alright, so we've got here the results, 310 cold cranking amps. So we need to take out this cover. And we're gonna find here the cover for the battery and for the fuel pump. You're gonna need a 10mm. Now back there, you're gonna find a 13mm. Now the battery can move. Now, since you probably don't want to reset everything when you replace the battery, on this car it's very easy to keep everything alive by connecting a 12-volt battery to these terminals. So I've got connected again the 12-volt battery in the front. Now we can remove this. Now let's place the new one. Alright, so let's connect the OBD2 scan tool. Let's turn the ignition on. And let's see, maintenance. We've got battery here. Okay, we've got information about the battery here. Let's see, validate battery. Here we can write the capacity of the battery, and that's how you can register the new battery. Okay guys, so that's how you change the battery on this car. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.